I'm going to show you this wonderful, lovely leather jacket that they've sent me. Look at the quality of the leather. The leather is absolutely wonderful. It's got some zips here. It's you know what I mean. It's real leather. It's real leather. You can wear this jacket so many different ways. And the best thing I love about FJackets is they have small jackets for small people like me. So if you are a small girl like me, you ain't gotta worry. I'm gonna show you the first outfit and we're gonna get rocking. So guys, with my first outfit here, I'm wearing this jacket. This jacket feels so lovely and snug. I love the zips on the jacket. And I've decided to pair it up with these jeans and these Loro Pianos. Yes, Loro Pianos. Loro Pianos are just one of my favorite pairs of shoes. And how well do the contrasts of the browns actually go? They go so well. Look at me. I just love this. And I've got these Levi jeans on. They're a bit baggy, but they're just so comfortable. And I just really like this outfit. So with this leather jacket, what I've realized, as you can see here, you can wear it in so many different ways, and I will show you. Next we have, I'm wearing it with this long grey Skims dress and with these Louis Vuitton boots. And again, you can dress this jacket up. And just to make it seem a bit like cool and funky, I've put on this this jacket on top. And just to show you that you can dress this jacket up or down. Just look at the quality of the jacket. And the thing is, I love most about this jacket, putting it on, there's so much lovely paddings on the arms. It's just so, it just feels so nice and snug. And also with this dress, I can also zip it and just put my hands in the pockets, which I also love. Okay, that is outfit number 2. Make sure you follow FJackets on Instagram. Make sure you comment down below and tell me how you would rock this jacket. Until next time, guys, thank you guys so much for watching.